Welcome to Spare Time Projects, where I share some of the things I like to make in my spare time. This is 3D poo. It's a waste product of 3D printing. Let's see if we can turn it into something special. I've got two slightly different sized plastic bowls and then sprayed them with silicone spray. The outside of the small one and the inside of the large one. I stole this great idea from Zammetti. See his link below. I put 3D poop in the bottom of the large bowl. Then sat the small bowl inside the large bowl on top of the poop. I tape the bowls together so they don't move. I then filled in between the two bowls. I put quite a lot in, possibly too much, but we'll see. I used a deep pour resin for this. I poured slowly to avoid getting too many air bubbles. Then put it inside a pressure pot. "48 hours later, I took it out. I removed my new creation from the bowls. Using the silicone spray meant they came out very easily, without damaging the bowls, so they can be used again. Next, off to the belt sander. It took some time at a coarse grit to get the excess off. I did find that the belt sander left ridges, which was difficult to avoid, so next time I'd use a circular sander. I went down to 240 grit on the belt sander before starting to hand sand with a 500 grit, then to 1000 grit going through to 4000. Lastly, with resin polish. What do you think? This was the first attempt. The resin I used was fast setting. This meant that I could not get the small bowl central to the big bowl. You can see they're offset. I didn't want to waste it, so I polished it anyway. And actually, it looked pretty good.